Is your kitchen feeling cramped and cluttered? Imagine having double the storage space without making your kitchen bigger. Sounds amazing, right? In 2025, smart storage solutions are transforming kitchens, making them more organized and functional. In this guide, we'll show you 30 smart storage solutions that can make a big difference. Whether you want to tidy up your countertops, organize your pantry, or create more space for cookware, there's a solution for you. Get ready to discover simple yet powerful ways to make your kitchen work smarter and feel more spacious. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your kitchen space. Section 1. Clever Cabinet Solutions. Is your kitchen feeling cramped? You're not alone. Many homeowners struggle with limited storage space. But here's the good news: you don't need a full remodel to make your kitchen feel bigger. With these clever cabinet solutions, you can double your space and keep everything organized. Let's dive in. 1. Pull-out pantry shelves. Tired of losing items in the back of your pantry? Pull-out shelves are the answer. These sliding shelves bring everything to the front. No more digging around. You can easily see and grab what you need. This works perfectly for dry goods, snacks, and spices. Plus, they fit inside most kitchen cabinets. 2. Vertical divider inserts. Say goodbye to messy stacks of baking trays and cutting boards. Vertical dividers keep everything neat and easy to access. You can place them inside a lower cabinet. This solution is perfect for organizing flat items like baking sheets, lids, and even large serving platters. No more noisy clattering when you pull one out. 3. Lazy Susan for corner cabinets. Corner cabinets can be a black hole. Things disappear into the back, never to be seen again. A Lazy Susan spins, making hidden items easy to reach. Use it for spices, sauces, or small kitchen gadgets. It maximizes the space while keeping everything within reach. 4. Toe kick drawers. Have you noticed that empty space under your cabinets? That's valuable storage waiting to be used. Toe kick drawers slide out from the base of your cabinets. They are perfect for flat items like baking sheets, extra towels, or even pet food bowls. It's hidden storage that makes a big difference. 5. Over-the-cabinet hooks. Small changes can free up lots of space. Over-the-cabinet hooks are simple but effective. They hang on the inside of cabinet doors. Use them to store towels, measuring cups, or cleaning supplies. You can even hang small baskets for extra storage. No tools are needed, and they work in any kitchen. These 5 cabinet hacks can transform your kitchen. No more wasted space or hard-to-reach items. And the best part? They are easy to install and affordable. Which of these cabinet hacks would you try first? Let us know below. But we're just getting started. Coming up next, we'll show you how to maximize your counter space with smart, space-saving ideas. You won't believe how much room you can create. Section 2. Maximize your counter space. Cluttered counters make your kitchen feel small and messy. But with smart solutions, you can clear the mess and create more room to work. Here are 5 easy ways to maximize your counter space. Wall-mounted shelves. Why waste wall space? Install wall-mounted shelves above your counters. Use them to store spices, mugs, or even small kitchen tools. This keeps your counters clear while making everything easy to grab. Floating shelves add style and function without taking up floor space. Under cabinet storage. The space under your upper cabinets is often unused. Add under cabinet racks for mugs, wine glasses, or spices. You can also install hooks to hang utensils or small baskets. This simple trick frees up counter space and keeps things within reach. Cutting board covers. Turn your sink into extra counter space. How? With a cutting board cover. It fits over your sink, giving you more room to chop and prep. Some covers even come with built-in strainers or containers for easy cleanup. Perfect for small kitchens. Magnetic knife strips. Knife blocks take up valuable counter space. Instead, use a magnetic knife strip. Mount it on the wall or under a cabinet. It keeps your knives organized and easy to reach. Plus, it adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen. Appliance garages. Appliances like toasters and blenders take up a lot of room. An appliance garage hides them when not in use. It's a small cabinet or sliding door that keeps appliances out of sight but easy to access. Your counters will instantly look cleaner and more spacious. These simple tricks can open up a surprising amount of counter space. With everything in its place, cooking becomes easier and more enjoyable. In the next section, we'll explore a smart drawer organizer that will help you make the most of every inch. Get ready for more clever storage hacks. Section 3. Smart drawer organizers. Drawers are often the messiest spots in the kitchen. But with smart organizers, you can turn chaos into order. Here are 5 ideas to keep your drawers neat and easy to use. Adjustable drawer dividers. No more tangled utensils or mixed up kitchen tools. Adjustable dividers let you customize each drawer. You can create sections for cutlery, cooking tools, and even small gadgets. They slide into place and can be resized as needed. Perfect for keeping everything in its spot. Deep drawer peg systems. Have deep drawers? Use a peg system. Adjustable pegs hold plates, bowls, or pots in place. This stops items from sliding around. It also makes stacking easier and safer. You can move the pegs to fit different sizes, keeping your kitchenware organized. Knife drawer inserts. Free up counter space by moving knives into a drawer. A knife drawer insert keeps blades safe and organized. Each knife has its own slot, making it easy to find the one you need. Plus, it keeps sharp edges covered, making your kitchen safer. Spice drawer inserts. No more hunting for spices. A spice drawer insert lays jars flat, so labels face up. This makes it easy to see and grab what you need. It also saves space compared to a standing spice rack. Your favorite flavors will always be within reach. Junk drawer organizers. Even junk drawers can be neat. Use small bins or trays to sort random items. Create sections for batteries, rubber bands, and other small essentials. This simple solution stops your junk drawer from becoming a mess again. Smart drawer organizers make your kitchen easier to use. You'll find things faster and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient space. Which of these cabinet hacks would you try first? Let us know below. Next, we'll show you hidden storage hacks that will surprise you. These clever ideas will help you find space you never knew you had. Section 4. Hidden storage ideas. Picture this. Your messy cabinets instantly transformed with these simple tweaks. Hidden storage is a clever way to use every inch of your kitchen. These smart solutions keep things tucked away but easy to access. Let's explore 5 hidden storage ideas that will transform your space. Inside cabinet doors. The inside of your cabinet doors is often wasted space. Add slim racks or hooks to store spices, cutting boards, or cleaning supplies. This keeps small items organized and easy to access. It also frees up shelf space for larger items. For a DIY option, try adhesive hooks or small shelves. These are easy to install and remove without damaging the cabinet. Hidden drawers and islands. If you have a kitchen island, make the most of it with hidden drawers. These secret compartments are perfect for storing utensils, napkins, or extra dishes. They blend seamlessly with the island's design, keeping your kitchen looking tidy. Some hidden drawers are even designed to hold appliances like blenders or mixers, freeing up valuable countertop space. Slide-out trash bins. Trash bins can take up a lot of floor space and disrupt your kitchen's clean look. Slide-out trash bins hide waste inside a cabinet, keeping your kitchen neat. Many designs also feature separate compartments for recycling, making waste sorting easier. This solution is both stylish and practical, giving you a cleaner and more organized kitchen. Kickboard storage. The base of your cabinets, known as the kickboard, is often overlooked. Install sliding drawers in this space to store flat items like baking sheets, trays, or even pet food. It's an excellent way to use every part of your kitchen. Kickboard storage is discreet, easy to access, and perfect for items you use occasionally but want to keep out of sight. These smart storage ideas help you make the most of your kitchen space without compromising style. With a few clever upgrades, You can keep your kitchen organized, functional, and beautiful. Pop-up appliance shelves. Appliances like mixers can be bulky. A pop-up shelf hides them in a lower cabinet. When you need it, the shelf lifts to counter height. This makes heavy appliances easy to use without cluttering your counters. Hidden storage solutions add extra space without changing your kitchen's look. They are practical, stylish, and easy to install. These smart storage ideas help you make the most of your kitchen space without compromising style. With a few clever upgrades, you can keep your kitchen organized, functional, and beautiful. Next, we'll dive into glass backsplashes for a sleek look that will make the most of your kitchen's new look. Don't miss these space-saving ideas. Section 5. Glass backsplashes for a sleek look. Glass backsplashes are a stylish and modern choice for 2025. They give your kitchen a bright, open, and elegant feel. Homeowners love them because they are both beautiful and practical. Plus, they are easy to clean and maintain. Here are 6 smart ways to use glass backsplashes in your kitchen. Easy to clean surface. Glass backsplashes are smooth and non-porous. This means they do not absorb stains or water. Spills and splashes can be wiped away easily. A quick clean with a damp cloth keeps the surface looking shiny and new. This makes glass an excellent choice for busy kitchens where messes are common. Back-painted glass for a pop of color. If you want to add color to your kitchen, try back-painted glass. This type of backsplash is made by painting the back of a glass panel. It gives you a smooth, glossy, and colorful surface. You can choose bold, bright colors for a fun look or soft, neutral shades for a calm and elegant feel. It's a simple way to personalize your kitchen without using tiles. Custom glass designs. Make your backsplash special with custom glass. You can add etched patterns, prints, or even images to the glass surface. This allows you to express your style while keeping the sleek look of glass. Custom designs add a unique and personal touch to your kitchen. Whether you want a geometric pattern or a floral design, custom glass can bring your vision to life. Reflective glass for more light. Reflective glass backsplashes can make a small kitchen feel bigger and brighter. The shiny surface reflects light around the room. This helps to create an open and airy feel. If your kitchen has limited natural light, a reflective glass backsplash can brighten the space. It's a simple trick to make your kitchen feel larger without any major changes. Mix glass with other materials. You don't have to stick to just one material. Mix glass with wood, metal, or stone to add texture and depth. For example, you could use a glass backsplash with wooden shelves or stainless steel appliances. This combination creates a modern yet warm look. It also makes your kitchen design more interesting and unique. Glass backsplashes are more than just beautiful. They are a smart and practical choice for modern kitchens. With so many design options, you can easily find a style that fits your home. Which of these cabinet hacks would you try first? Let us know below. In the next section, we'll explore bold color statements that are turning heads in 2025. Section 6. Bold color statements. Bright and bold colors are taking over in 2025. Deep blues, rich greens, and even vibrant reds are becoming popular. These colors bring energy, style, and personality to your kitchen. Homeowners use bold backsplashes to make their kitchens stand out. Here are 5 exciting ways to use bold colors in your kitchen. Deep blues for a modern feel. Navy and cobalt blues are trending in 2025. These rich shades create a bold and modern look. They pair beautifully with white or light-colored cabinets, offering a striking contrast. Deep blue backsplashes work well in both small and large kitchens. They add a touch of elegance while keeping the space fresh and modern. Rich greens for a natural touch. Emerald and forest green bring a fresh, organic feel to your kitchen. These deep greens work well in both traditional and modern designs. Pair green backsplashes with wood accents for a warm, inviting vibe. If you want a bold but calming atmosphere, rich green is a perfect choice. Vibrant reds for a bold statement. Want to make a statement? Go for bold reds like cherry or brick. These bright, lively colors add energy and personality to your kitchen. Use red backsplashes as a focal point, like behind the stove or as an accent wall. This bold choice works best in kitchens with neutral cabinets to keep the look balanced. Two-tone designs for extra style. Mix bold colors with neutral shades to add depth and character. For example, you could combine deep blue with soft gray or rich green with white. This two-tone style makes your kitchen feel stylish and unique without overwhelming the space. It's a modern design trick that works well in any kitchen size. Custom color panels for personal flair. Custom colored glass or acrylic panels allow you to choose any shade you love. Whether you want a soft pastel or a bold jewel tone, custom panels offer endless possibilities. This is a great way to match your backsplash perfectly with your kitchen's color scheme. It's a simple and effective way to make your kitchen truly your own. Bold color backsplashes are a fun way to express your style. They brighten your kitchen and make it feel fresh and exciting. Which of these cabinet hacks would you try first? Let us know below. Glass backsplashes in 2025 are both stylish and useful. They make your kitchen look modern and are easy to clean. Whether you like a simple glass panel or a bold color, there is a style for you. Reflective glass can make your kitchen look bigger and brighter. Custom designs let you show off your personality. You can also mix glass with other materials for a unique look. The choices are endless. Are you ready to update your kitchen? Try these new backsplash ideas and find the best one for your home. Which glass backsplash do you love the most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 kitchen trends and ideas. Your perfect kitchen is just one step away.